Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce in Hebrew. And in this video, we will learn Ecclesiastes chapter 1, verse 9. So we learn how to say this in Hebrew, the meaning and some vocabularies and verbs. So, there is no new thing under the sun. Wait till you hear all this lesson. The origin name of the Megillah in Hebrew is Kohelet. Kohelet, Perek Aleph, Pasuk Tet. So who was Kohelet? Kohelet, if you can read Perek Aleph, Pasuk Aleph, Divrei Kohelet ben David, Melech Birushalayim, and in English, so you'll understand, the words Divrei of the preacher, this is a translation in Hebrew, Kohelet, ben David, son, ben, David, David, king, Melech, Birushalayim, in Jerusalem. You see here, Kof, Hey, Lamed. This is from the Shoresh, Kof, Hey, Lamed, Binyan, Hif'il. I spoke about derived stems and constructions in lesson 8. And if you need a reminder, I will put the link in the description box below. So the original verb, hu hikil, he assembled people together, and kehila, kof hey lamed also, kof hey lamed, community and congregation. So you understand that Kohelet, it means that the son of David could have assembled people together. But who was Kohelet? So we had identify Kohelet, son of David, Kohelet ben David, with King Solomon, Hamelech Shlomo. This is the full verse. You can see there are 3 parts, and that the English translation is very long, and the Hebrew looks easier, less words. So let's see. מה שהיה הוא שיהיה, ומה שנעשה הוא שיעשה, ואין כל חדש תחת השמש. Let's read it in English quickly, and then we will see each part of the Hebrew sentence. The thing that hath been, it is that which shall be, and that which is done is that which shall be done, and there is no new thing under the sun. By the way, מה שהיה, שיהיה, the verb to be, I have a special lesson about it, lesson 9, and I will put the link to this lesson in the description box below. This is the first part. מה שהיה הוא שיהיה. מה is what. ש or asher, that. ש is conjunction in grammar. It's a newer version of asher. היה was, שורש Hey yod yod, binyan pa'al. Who? This is oged, copula in linguistics. It's like we're saying A is B, like the meaning. מה שהיה, A is who, B, like in math. So, a copula in linguistics. Who is also he in Hebrew. So מה שהיה הוא שיהיה. Like the thing that was is the thing that will be. This is the meaning, right? Welcome to the second part of the verse. ומה שנעשה הוא שיעשה. and מה, what, שאשר that, הוא אוגד, copula linguistics, like the first part, but here different verb. נעשה, שורש, עין, שין יוד, בניין נפעל. נפעל, the passive thing that happened to someone. פעל is active form. So, מה שנעשה was done. שיעשה, יעשה, same שורש. And the same construction, בניין, will be done. Like the future. מה שנעשה הוא שיעשה. It's like what was done, same thing, shall be done. The third and last part of the verse, ואין כל חדש תחת השמש. You see the commas here? We will talk about this in a minute. and, ein, there is no, כל, any, every, all, חדש, new, תחת, under, and now השמש. So the hey here, definiteness, the. Sun in Hebrew is shemesh, but shamesh, this is tzurat hefsek. In the Bible, it is a beautiful way to end the sentence in some of the words, like in literature, like a song, poetry. So instead of shemesh, hashemesh, they wrote shamesh, hashamesh. Sing it like, ואין כל חדש תחת השמש. And again, this is the whole verse. מה שהיה הוא שיהיה, ומה שנעשה הוא שיעשה, ואין כל חדש תחת השמש. So 3 things with the same message. If someone asks you, so what's new? מה חדש? You can answer, אין כל חדש, or אין חדש. And if you elect a new government, you actually know that מה שהיה הוא שיהיה. So very useful, this sentence. But here on my channel, מה שהיה, מה שנעשה, אני אחדש, I will make new things. יהיה חדש. תהיה הרבה שמש. Amen, Amen. להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.